Hey guys, I haven't made a video in a week exactly because I got really sick and I wanted to make sure I was perfectly fine for my videos today. And today I'm gonna make weird noises with this. This is like an annoying sound thing. It does this. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I gotta get this view. Maybe you can hear this. This is actually the sound of me blowing. It doesn't even sound like it. It just sounds like... Comment down below what you think it sounds like. Okay, now we're gonna say whoopity scoop. Like, you know, whoopity scoop. It's from a meme by Kanye West. It's like a... Okay, let's just do it. Whoopity scoop. Scoop diddy whoop. Whoop dee scoop dee poop. Poop dee scoop dee scoop dee whoop. Whoopity scoop whoop poop. Poop diddy whoop scoop. Poop. Poop. Scoop diddy whoop. Whoopity scoop. Whoopity scoop. Poopity scoop. Scoop diddy whoop. Okay. Yeah, that was over. Okay, now we can do... This will be the last sound. Now we can do... Little. Okay, no. Okay. This, everyone turn your volume down. I'm only playing this for about 3 seconds. And this is the most annoying sound in this video. Okay. This is not with my mouth. This is the feedback. Okay, that's it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smack that like button, subscribe, comment down below, #peace. Alright, see you guys. Peace out.